The government is on the run to stop the spread of the dreaded coronavirus in the country, with Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe now saying that there is no end in sight to the pandemic, which is expected to grow in the next few days.
Our actions this coming week in particular will determine whether we shall go into a full-blown crisis with grave human economic consequences, or whether we shall limit the adverse impacts of this disease.
And in line with that, the government has come up with a raft of fresh measures to stop the spread of the coronavirus, which are likely to enhance social distancing and reduce crowd gathering.
These measures may be inconvenient at the moment, and we have no doubt they will inconvenience a lot of people. But I assure you that they are necessary for meeting our indicated objectives.
The hardest hit are likely to be the public service vehicle sector, who are now expected to downscale on the number of commuters per trip.
14-seater matatus will carry a maximum of 8 passengers. 25-seater vehicles, a maximum of 15 passengers. 30-seater vehicles and above to maintain a 60% maximum of seating capacity. This similarly applies for SGR and commuter train services. In other words, there is no point of having 8 people and then 2 people are sitting very close together and leaving the other seats open. The idea is to stay as far away as possible from each other.
A move that is likely to make Kenyans dig deeper into their pockets to pay more for public transport. Entertainment joints are also on government's radar.
All entertainment areas, bars, and other social spaces are to close their doors to the public by 7:30 every day until further notice.
Same as supermarkets and even hospitals.
While going to those supermarkets, let me again reiterate, it is a person at a time. A person at a time. We do not expect people to go to supermarkets or other social areas bunched together with their children, with their families. Those must be left at home. Shopping should be restricted to one person.
Open-air markets will remain open for now, but must scale up on their hygiene.
Vegetable markets in particular are required to ensure that their goods are displayed on raised platforms. Tomorrow, we will embark as a ministry on a major cleanup of fumigation, starting with the Gikomba market tomorrow. As soon as the markets open,
the number of confirmed cases remains 7 tonight, with 4 being held awaiting test results.
As we speak, there is a gentleman we have just picked up in Kilifi because of refusing to self-quarantine, and this is going to continue.
A total of 44 people have been released from hospital after being in isolation for 14 days.